Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Mama Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu n'Oraifite maọbụ ịkpọ m Akajiugo. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa gbaa afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ my advice to apprentice, and otherwise known as Waboy. Yes. Ọ bụrụ na you pay attention today, you will learn a lot. Ọ bụrụ na you Waboy, please come closer. My advice to you are as an apprentice, servant, you must always do the needful. Focus your attention towards your JD. Yes. Job description. Job description. Ihe ahụ agwalụ gị na-eme. Ị na-azụrụ mmadụ ahịa, you are a sales boy to somebody. You and the person bargain the terms and conditions. Please stick to it. Ka ị ghara ịba n'ụgwọ. Always stick to what the direction given to you by that job, by that apprenticeship. Very important. What we are hearing at this particular time is not pleasant at all. We have seen where apprentices, they will leave their job description and be doing another thing, and I can tell you, it will must boomerang. Yes. And when it comes, when it will come, you will not even know where the thing is coming from. Some of you are telling me, Eze-Ana, I keep seeing myself where I was serving my old master, where I was in his house, doing his house chores, so washing his cars and rest of them, doing all those things. Even Madam has sent me errands, even Oga is sending me, everybody, many years after he must have left. You know why? What it means is that you are living in the past. And what it means is that you are spiritually, you are still indebted. Because you must have committed something that made it possible for you to remain slave, even though they have left the man many years after. So pay attention to this letter. Believe in me, you will learn a lot why you normally see yourself always serving this person. And make sure you do not trespass into those areas that will make you to remain indebted to him and his household. Pay attention to this message. I believe I can tell you without missing words that no one on the message this message is not in vain. This message is meant to serve and liberate some certain people, so that you will know what you will do now to liberate yourself. Remember my warning. What you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. If you know anybody that is still apprentice, what we normally call boy in Igbo land, tag the person, because this is hour and time for liberation. Yeah, but before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. We are in the new month. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. Distance is never a barrier in our spiritual work and whatever we are doing in the temple. You forward their 3 prayer requests, make token donation to the account number. Chat me on WhatsApp so that I will tell you other details we need for you in order to book it. All the people that joined us in the last month's ritual have received their concluding part of that last month's rituals. If you are interested to join, you join. This morning I have gone to the temple to make a declaration upon the lives of friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission and consecrated group. We keep doing it till last day of the month. We go to river, offer sacrifices and appeasement on behalf of all. Come to temple, offer sacrifices to entities of powers, on behalf of all. So if you are interested, chat me on WhatsApp. Another announcement is, if you're a child of the temple, don't forget that our annual festival for the year is fast approaching. Its date is 16 September. It is a compulsion that every child of the temple must contribute towards making this festival a success. Yes. So you can contribute whatever you can to make this sacrifice and rituals, annual festival, a good one. Remember, this year's sacrifices and the annual festival is very unique because this year include the foundation laying for place of worship of Chukwuoke Premi Henine. So we expect all the children of the temple to contribute whatever they can to make it a success. Remember, 16 September. Our fans all over the world, we are also invited. They can join us. WhatsApp number you use to get me is 08057837672 or 0813824381. Now let's proceed. Remember my topic. My advice to apprentice. Boy. If you are an apprentice, listen to me. This message was given to me to save lives and liberate some people from being slaves, perpetual slaves. You will become perpetual slave when you leave the job descriptions, what you agreed with your master from the beginning, otherwise known as agreement. Let me tell you how it works for some people that doesn't understand what boy in Igbo language simple means, otherwise known as apprenticeship. Now, boy is a state where a man directly or indirectly approach your family that you want to take maybe one of their boy for mastering, coaching the person in his line of business. And the terms of agreement always be to serve him maybe 6 years, 7 years, as case may be. And in return, the man is supposed to mentor you, to master you, teach you all the do's and don'ts, all the secret of that particular business, the customer service and rest of them. The man is not expected to hide anything, the secret of the business to you, as long as you remain loyal to the man in question. That man's aspect. Then if you, at the completion of that particular agreed years, 6, 7 years, as case may be, the man is expected to settle you based on what you merited. Now, on your own side, as the boy person, is to remain humble servant, to serve the man with all sincerity, to obey, and to keep to instructions. Now, this is the total agreement on both sides. So whenever, and as you are agreeing, because as this is agreement entered in peace between the two people involved, the two families involved, between the oga and the apprentice, boy. So whenever you, the oga, or especially the one boy, deviate from that particular agreement, you are already entangling yourself. So if the agreement is to stay with your oga, definitely your oga is supposed to be feeding you, clothing you, take care of you when you are sick. And your oga is not supposed to pay you if he's under one boy agreement. Yes. It assumes that your oga will be keeping whatever that is supposed to be your dues based on your effort and keeping them together to up to that 6 or 7 years, as case may be. Put all the sum together, then call your people for settlement. Then after praying for you for success, he gives you the blessings and give you word of advice and hand over the money to you. All those money he mop out over the years and give to you as your settlement, as agreement. You in return, the agreement was never for you to enrich yourself while serving him. It's never the agreement. I can tell you why you got it wrong. And that is why what makes you to remain entangled to that particular man. You know why? Some of you normally get it wrong. You came to serve somebody, the man is already a successful man. And you, from day one, you already imagine yourself that you want to be successful, even more than your guy. There's no bad on that. But the problem is when you begin to run the man down in order to rise. Let me tell you what you don't know. The air, the sky is enough to accommodate all of us. It is not a must. You are not advised to pull another person down in order to climb. Now, for you to have this negative mindset against someone that brought you from the village to the town and agreed to mentor you to the extent that you become a master and be successful for yourself, and all you could do is to plan how you can be selling his goods, hiding the money, taking what does not belong to you, saving. For your little mind, for your little skull, you are thinking that by saving those money you are saving, that you want to be richer than your oga. Oga, note that money you are saving is your oga's money. Your oga brought you from the village, gave you the platform. So whatever you know belongs to your oga. So if you decide, if your oga say, okay, if there is maybe apricot from another person or a customer dash you money, use it to buy food and eat. Maybe use it to clothe yourself, buy your slippers or amend your clothes, but not to save it. That was never, no oga on earth, I can tell you, because I have trained some people when I was into business. Now, no oga will give you permission to be saving money under his roof. No oga will do it. The oga can only say, if customer dash you money for any reason, use it to buy food and eat. Add it to your money, or use it to mend your clothes and whatever, or repair your slippers and rest of them. But saving it is no. So whenever you are saving your oga money, don't say, it's not by your oga, I run it from another business. So your oga gave you platform and you are using that platform to enrich yourself without his knowledge. Now your oga, maybe sometimes customer look for goods. You people have it in the shop, but you don't want, your oga own, you will not make profit. You will now go another place, bring that goods and sell in order to save money. All this is you are running your oga down. Anyway, you are shortchanging your oga that is not well stipulated during the agreement, is shortchanging your oga. And whenever you are shortchanging your oga, you are shortchanging yourself in the spirit. What am I saying? Don't take what your oga does not approve. Or if your oga, some people normally argue, if your oga sell this goods 1,000 naira. If you sell it 1,500, you must submit that 1,500 to your oga. But tell him that you sell this thing overpriced. He will be jotting it down in your own appraisal that you are very hardworking, that you have his interest at heart. By so doing, it will make him to settle you more better. But taking that 500 away, writing 100,000 or 1,000 naira for him, you stole the money. That money is not yours. Are you the one that provide that platform, that shop? Your oga brought you from village, you don't have any idea on that business. Now he brought you and mentor you to that business. He got some idea from that business. He began to reap what you did not sow. It's not yours, because your oga, he remain your oga's servant. Some of you go there and start browsing, madam. There is one trending video that is happening. It happened in main market. One boy browsing madam. All this is, or you go there and browsing oga's daughter. All this is you are doing will make you to remain entangled. All this is will make you to remain slave. Any money you sell from that particular man, hide it somewhere in order to add it to your money, settlement money. Okay? Once you add it to their settlement money, spiritually you and your guy is doing combined business. You don't know Stop doing what will make you to remain entangled. I'm warning you. I know if you have saved your Oga money through illegal means, if you don't know how to return it, tell me, I will help you. But if you have done it in the past, begin now to do restitution. Begin now to do restitution. Let me stop here, but not my word. That is my advice. And my message is to the bread people that are entangled. If you have committed it, chat me. If you are doing it already and still serving the man, return those money. Ka ị ghara ịba n'ụgwọ. Ka ọ ghara ịbụ emesịa ma nke ise butere esef ma nke ọ gaghị du mgbe a ga-echọba ihe na-eme gị. Nọmba ihe nweta m bụ 08057837672 ma 08138243871. Let us pray. Ekwem m na Chineke. Ekwere m na ọ dịghị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị ezi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwuo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwu oge pụrụ ime ihe niile be with you all. May you be protected. May you be favored. May you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Ka ọ dịkwa echi niile n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Udo dịrị unu.